Guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making some snook curry all the way from Guyana. My husband brought it from Guyana and he loves snook, so today I'll be making snook curry. So let's get started. So I have in here 2 teaspoons of garam masala, smells so good. 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika for some color, 1 teaspoon of sazon powder for some color and taste. It tastes so good in curry, stew, or soup, cook up, anything it tastes good in. Half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything here. Check it out, looking so nice. Check out the color. Check it out, looks so good. Add in my salt now, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, another teaspoon of ginger, 2 teaspoons of green seasoning, add in a quarter cup of water, mix everything together. Oh my god, it smells so good. The ginger, garlic, masala smells so nice. Check it out here, guys. Check out this color. I don't like my curry like black. Check out the color. Looks so nice. Looks good already. Check it out. That's how I like my curry color. So nice. The color. Anyways, guys, I just washed the snook, looking so fresh, all the way from Guyana. Check it out, looking so nice. So I'll just season this up and then fry it, then I'll cook some curry with it. I'm adding a teaspoon of salt, adding a teaspoon of clubhouse seasoning. That's the one I'm using here. Clubhouse Tech Mix, really good. Half pepper, onion, and garlic. Check it out. Add in a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Just gonna mix everything like this. Check it out. Looking good. Looking good. So I have 1 cup of flour here in a Ziploc bag. So I'll put the fish in and just shake it up. And it's easier, no mess. Add in the fish to the Ziploc. Just seal it. Just shake it up like this. Just shake it out now. Check it out. To my hot frying pan with oil. Check it out here, looking so nice. Just turning it over so the other side can get brown. Check it out here, looking nice. Check out the fish here, all done frying, looking so nice. Check out the fish here, all done. Color is so nice. Using the same oil, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, I love mustard seed and cumin before I started my curry. Tastes so good. And the oil from the fish, this is all the goodness. This make the fish curry tastier. I'm adding half an onion. Two green onion. And 1 teaspoon of dry thyme, all the way from Guyana. Guyanese dry thyme. It smells so good already. It's the fish that I fry in the oil. It smells so good. Add in the masala mixture that I mixed earlier. Check out the color here. This is how I like my curry. Nice yellowish color. I'll let that fry until it starts bubble up. See how it starts to bubble in there? That's how it should be. And then your curry tastes so good. So I'm adding some saijan here. We call it drumsticks here, but in Guyana we say saijan. I love saijan in curry. Add in some tomato. Add in a teaspoon of tomato paste. Add in a little bit of water so the saijan can cook. Cooking some rice here with the fish curry. Check out the color here. Add in the mango all the way from Guyana too. Nice green mango. I'll add the fish a little bit because I already fried it. My husband liked when it fried. He enjoyed it better. So the fish is already cooked. I just need to put it in here and add a little bit of water and dry it down. Check out this. Add in the fishes. I'm just going to turn this one time before it's mashed up. Then add the water. Check it out here. Look at the color. So I'll just add my water here and boil it for like 5 minutes. Add in the water. Just a little bit to cover it. Check out the color here. This only takes 5 minutes because the fish is already cooked. I already fried it, so 5 minutes. Check it out, guys. Check out the fish curry here. Check out the color. Such a nice color. Almost done. Let's check it out. Fish curry is all done. So I'll just add a sprinkle of black pepper on top, like a 1 teaspoon. Looks good. Anyways, guys, check out the fish curry. Check out the color. So amazing. Snook fish all the way from Guyana. Mango, thyme, the fish. My husband really loved this fish. Snook fish. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like how my fish curry turns out. Looking so good. Thanks again. Bye for now.